very, very clear here. And you can see all the jellyfish from the boat. Don't fall off the edge. Whoa, be careful, you guys. You guys are like literally right on an edge.
Let me away from this.
The Spanish Virgin Islands embrace 400 square miles to the west of the U.S. Virgin Islands. After crossing the Vieques Sound, we made it to the north coast of the lovely little island. We decided to do our provisioning here in this great little town because where we were heading next, there were no stores and only national parks. For fellow explorers and wildlife enthusiasts, the Culebra National Wildlife Refuge is something you surely do not want to miss. It consists of 23 keys and 4 large trails, all to protect the seabirds, turtles, and everything else living between land and sea.
We're at the old jacuzzi spot.
Oh, I could live on this island.
Sick footwear. Up on the hill. Hey, see you. There's Alex. Found a sick treasure chest. It's got 4 quarters in it. Check it out. Wait. I don't know if you can see that. Treasure chest. Found it at 3 quarters and a 5-cent lottery token.
Woo! After spending the sunset at one end of the island at the jacuzzis, it was off to see the fort, or El Faro, the next morning. About a 45-minute hike up the top of the mountain and over to the windward side. The luscious land and surrounding seas of Culebrita truly create a natural paradise, a sanctuary for the lucky few that call it home. However, you won't find any human inhabitants here, because boaters are only allowed to stay on the moorings for a very limited time. But what you will find are countless butterflies on the trails, thousands of hermit crabs, hundreds of goats, and despite the fact that it's such a tiny place, there is surprisingly a lot to do here. Well, the baths went there. Awesome. Treasure Beach. Playa Tortuga, El Faro, Lighthouse, and South Beach, aka Snorkeling Beach. Little baby's trying to find its mom. out. No time for the snorkel beach, unfortunately, because Matan is leaving us and he's got a flight to catch. We have a nice southeast wind right now, so we're going to try to take advantage of it. But having breakfast up there was definitely one of the highlights of this island.
You guys have found all of the butterflies.
Butterflies and butterfingers.
What you doing, John?
Bummer, dude.
Got that on camera.
You did?
Walk back. Woo! There's a lot of butterflies around here.
After a nice long hike, it was great to take a refreshing swim. And before we knew it, we were already on our way to the larger island to check out the pristine reefs at Luis Pena.
Got a real nice southeast wind. It'll be perfect.
As always, thank you so much for watching, and please share and subscribe to our channel to support our sailing explorations. Until next time, go have fun. Such a sad time. Matan is leaving us. One last step into the dinghy. And he has definitely gotten way better at it. This is the first time he did it. I remember when every time Matan got in the dinghy at first, we would all get splashed. Here in a $2 safari truck. And don't forget to stay tuned for next time as we explore the U.S. Virgin Islands.